Hey y'all, this is my third time attempting to do this video. I'm going to cross my fingers this time that there are no more mishaps. The first time I had the entire video completed. It wasn't very long, about 10 minutes. I went to upload and the video was just gone. I have no clue what happened to it. The second time, I'm about 3 minutes into the video and I get a message on the screen saying that the camera is too hot or the device is too hot to continue to use the camera, and I will have to wait till the phone cools down and try again. So that's what I did. I'm back for a third time attempting to complete this video. I'm going to try to make it quick before it overheats again or something crazy happens. So I decided to shoot it outside in nature today. I'm a summer and spring girl, and we'll be in fall soon, so I have to enjoy this weather and this nice outside setting while I can. So, as I stated in my last video, September is Life Insurance Awareness Month. And I found out something that I didn't know today as well. So, like I said, September is Life Insurance Awareness Month. But because of everything that was going on this year, it ran from July until September this year. And I just found that out today. So, I wanted to share that with you all. The topic of this video is actually something that I'm sure that I covered in one of my previous videos, but I find myself answering this question a lot. I keep getting this question, so I decided to address it again. I don't want to be redundant, but people keep asking, so I decided to do a video about it. So, as you may know, as some of you may know, life insurance companies, not all, but many ask for your occupation, and some ask for your salary. And people, I'm always asked, why are they asking all that? Why they want to know all your business? They all up in your business. And it's not that they're just trying to be nosy and in your business, but there's the reason that they do it is because they're trying to assess the risk that the company is taking on by insuring you. So I'll give you this example. Let's just say, and I hope it's not too bright. I'm trying to make sure, everything is not too bright and you guys can see me okay. That's why I'm moving the camera. But let's just say I have a twin sister. So that means that in our health is just the same. We have the same medical history. Of course, we have the same family history. Same date of birth. We're the same age. I should say we're the same height and weight. So everything is equal except our occupations. So let's just say I'm a life insurance agent, which I am, and she's a bullfighting instructor. My occupation is a lot less risky than hers. The chances of me occurring a bodily injury or death from my occupation is a lot less than hers. So just the way the insurance world works, she's more than likely going to pay a higher insurance premium than I am. And that's the reason why they ask for your occupation, because they're making an assessment of the risk. And let's just say I decided that I no longer wanted to be a life insurance agent and I wanted to go join my sister and be a bullfighting instructor. I'm supposed to then let my insurance company know, make them aware, and they're to adjust the premium accordingly. And it works in reverse. If my sister decided that being a bullfighting instructor was just too much for her and she wanted a safer job, and she decided to become a life insurance agent, then she is to then let the company know, and they will adjust her premiums accordingly. So it's not that they're just trying to be all in your business. And sometimes you'll tell them your occupation, and they will ask for a brief description of what your job duties are. And again, that's just them trying to assess the risk that the company is taking on by insuring you. Now, the other question is they will ask your salary. And it's not, again, it's not because they're just trying to be in your business, but they're trying to cut down on money laundering. Unfortunately, in the past, people have used life insurance policies to launder money. Now, I'm not going to go into specifics of how exactly that was done because I'm not trying to give people money laundering tips here. It's part of my job as a life insurance agent to keep my eye open for money laundering transactions. So I'm not going to go into details of how you use life insurance to money launder because I don't want to be accused of aiding anyone in using life insurance for that purpose. But that's the reason why they ask for your salary, because let's just say you make $25,000 a year, but the cost to have your insurance policy is $50,000 a year. That just doesn't add up mathematically. So they're going to look into that a little further. That's going to make them feel like something more is going on, and you may be using your life insurance policy to launder money. And I don't want to confuse anyone. I'm not saying if you make like $30,000 a year, you can't have a $60,000 life insurance policy. That's not what I'm saying. It's not the amount of the policy itself. It's the amount that it costs you to have the policy. So if your monthly salary is $3,000, if your monthly income is $3,000 a month, but it costs you $4,000 a month to have your life insurance policy, that just doesn't add up. So they're going to look into that further. So those are the reasons that they ask about your occupation and your salary, because they're trying to assess the risk that the company is taking on by insuring you, and they're trying to cut down on money laundering schemes. I wanted to make this point as well. It works the same way as your car insurance policy. And I was just recently shopping around for insurance on a new vehicle. And one of the questions she asked was how many miles I drive to and from work. So I told her how many miles, but I mentioned that I'm currently working from home. And she wrote the policy based on the fact that I was working from home. And she stated, when it's time for me to return from work, and I'm sitting on a wooden bench right now. Let me knock on this wood because I'm hoping that I won't have to return back to work anytime soon. But she stated that once it's time for me to return back to work, give her a call so she can adjust the policy to reflect that I'm now no longer working from home and I'm traveling to and from work every day. So I wanted to mention that to you guys because a lot of car insurance companies are offering a pandemic discount. Some companies are lowering your monthly premium because people aren't driving as much. However, if you started your policy before the pandemic, or even if you renewed it since the pandemic, but you're now working from home and you didn't mention that to your agent, consider giving them a call and just mentioning that you're now working from home, because you could be given an additional discount. So that's just a possible money saving tip I wanted to give you guys in case you weren't aware that that's something that you can do. Why pay extra money when you don't have to? So and if you've had your life insurance policy for a while and you were in a job that may have been considered more risky at the time, and you now have a less risky job, you may want to give your agent a call, make the company aware, because you could save money on your life insurance policy as well. So that's basically it for this topic. Like I originally had another topic that I wanted to discuss on this channel, but sometimes other things come up. People may ask me questions. Sometimes people ask me to cover a certain topic, so the topic that I had planned kind of gets pushed back. But I've been on you guys this video on this particular topic for a while, and I think I've been putting it off because it's really a kind of boring topic to me, but it is informative. So I'll probably make that my third video for this month, because my next video this month, I want to touch on the importance of being honest with your life insurance agent. I won't go into that, but that's going to be the topic of my next video. The importance of being honest with your life insurance agent. It could really be the difference between you getting a policy and you not getting a policy. So I'm going to go ahead and end this here. But like I stated in my last video, I was going to start sharing the weird fact about me with you all again, and the song that's playing in my head, because I always have a song playing. And I can't really think of a weird fact right now. I feel like I shared them all with you guys, and I know I didn't, because there's probably several weird things about me. But I can't think of one at the current moment, but I will share the song that's playing. The song that has been playing in my head consistently for like a week now is Karma's by Future. And maybe I'll share why that song is playing as the weird fact on the next video. But I really just wanted to answer those questions, because I keep getting that question. Why do they ask about your salary, and why do they ask about your occupation? So I wanted to cover that, although like I said, I think I covered it in a few videos previously. So I just want to remind you guys to like, share, and subscribe. Encourage your friends to like, share, and subscribe. I'm licensed in multiple different states, and it is my goal to eventually be licensed in all 50 states. So I don't care what states your friends and family, what state they're in. Share. Encourage them to share, like, and subscribe, because as I stated before, I'm going to be doing some new things with the channel, and I don't think you want to miss it. So make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can stay connected. And I know I probably look sweaty, but I'm not sweating. That's the sun shining down on me. I'm soaking up this sun. I'm taking advantage of this nice weather before that other season hits. I'm so not a fall type person. But I'm going to end this here, and I hope you all have a nice day. Until next time, I'm the neighborhood insurance lady, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.